goodness. I'm so bored as heck. Like, I have nothing to do in this house except being in my room all day. I'm going to ask Katie if I can go to Olivia's house. Gosh, this chicken smells so delicious. Fresh out of the oven. Can't wait to take a bite of this bad boy. Hey Eva, what's up? Hey Katie, but anyway, can I go to Olivia's house? I'm afraid not. And why exactly can I not go? Because we are about to have dinner in a few minutes, so no. But I have nothing to do except being in my room being bored with nothing to do. I know you want to go, but we're gonna eat dinner very soon. Maybe you can go see her later, okay? Okay, fine. I can't believe I won't be going to Olivia's house today. How disappointing. Instead of jumping out of the window or escaping this house, I will teleport myself by just a snap. That was fun watching Dora the Explorer. I wonder what will I do next. I wonder who's at the door. Hey Penelope, what's up? Hey, Eva. Also, I'm good. So what are you doing right now? Oh, nothing much. I just finished watching Dora the Explorer before you knocked on my door. That's nice. I love that show since when I was a little girl. Me too. Since you're here, what should we do? Let's go to your room and play Monopoly. That's a great idea. Let's do it. Hey Eva, dinner is ready. Please come downstairs. Eva, can you come downstairs please? Eva. Eva, are you even listening to me? Look, I am not playing games with you. I told you to come downstairs. Eva, I mean it. If you don't get out of your room and get your butt down there, then I'll come up to your room. That's it, you leave me with no choice. Eva, why are you not coming down like I asked you to? What in the world? She is not in her room. But that's impossible. I wonder where could she be? Wait a minute. I remember Eva told me earlier that she wanted to go to her friend's house, even after telling her no. If she is not on the house, then that means... Aha! I think I know where she is now. She must have been to Olivia's house. My naughty sister of mine, how dare she sneak out of the house and go to Olivia's room without letting me know. Oh, she is going to be in hot water when I go to her house. Darn it. I can't believe I got a one-way ticket to jail. Don't worry, Eva. I'll find a way to get you free out of jail. Hey Eva and Olivia, how are you both doing up there? We were doing good. We were playing Monopoly. Oh, I see. Say Eva, would you please come down to the living room in a minute? There is someone who wants to see you. Oh really? Well, who is it? You'll just come downstairs and see for yourself. Penelope, I'll be right back. There is someone who wants to see me in the living room. Alright then. I'll hold the game until you get back. I wonder who Eva's visitor could be. Well, who knows? You may never know. What in the world? Katie, what are you doing in Olivia's house? Why do you think I'm doing here in your friend's house? Well, explain to me. What are you doing in Penelope's house? We already discussed about this earlier that you can't go to your friend's house today. But Katie, please let me explain about this. The reason why I go to Penelope's house is because after you told me I can't go to her house today, which is so unfair. And if you want to know how I got to her house, well, let's just say I used some type of teleportation by snapping my finger to get there. And before you get mad at me any further, yes, what I did is wrong and naughty, but it's just not fair that you can't let me go to my friend's house despite of me feeling bored in my room. I'm so sorry for sneaking out without telling you. Please don't be mad at me. I am not mad at you. I am so angry that you sneak out of the house without my approval after discussing this that you can't go today. You could have least waited until tomorrow. But no, You choose to make that decision for yourself. I would be worried for you if I hadn't called the cops on you right now, but you're so lucky that I didn't do just that. And now that you've been caught, we are going home right now. And as soon as we get back to our house, you are coming with me to eat dinner. And after dinner, I will send you to bed early without any dessert for the time being. Oh no, not dessert. Anything but that. Please, don't make me sent to bed early without a dessert after dinner. I was so excited for that. Well, maybe you should not have sneaked out of the house to go to your friend's house to avoid suffer the consequences. I don't want to hear anything out of your mouth. You can save the talking as soon as we get home. So, let's get going. I hope Ava learns her lesson not to sneak out of the house without her sister's permission.